It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Yes, this is my two greenhouses, the larger one and my medium-sized one. And I'll show you the rest of the garden now. This is my small greenhouse, 6 foot by 4 foot, and I've got a couple of shelving unit things in that I'm thinking about using later this year. And I've put some old compost down, something that I'd used for my tomatoes last year, and then I'm going to be putting fresh new compost down so I can grow in the ground. And I've got me to move it so you can see it. Where are you? There. Right, as you can see, the temperature has got to 30 degrees in here. It gets very warm, so I'm planning on growing peppers in here, which will do tremendous. And because it'll let light through to here. We're just moving things around at the moment to try and get it sort of sorted. You can see the back of the medium greenhouse and these pallet collars where I'll be growing, and next to the fence where I'll be growing. Yeah. It's a lot of outdoor space. Apologies for the wind. There are the two greenhouses, and we've now laid out roughly where my outdoor bed will go to. And as you can see, it's just a sight. And behind me, this is the rest of my back garden. Building site. But it's what's needed to be done. My big greenhouse that I will be using at the end to propagate. Yes, that table looks totally skew with, but it'll suffice. And I've got me seed trays out, and I'm actually going to plant some seeds today. But they will not be for growing outside, they'll be for growing undercover in the greenhouses, because I have put compost down ready. This is the compost that I'll be using for starting my seeds off. And walking through here, I've now got a water butt set up. This is old compost. I'm going to be adding new compost to the top of it and plant a lot of peas for seed. There'll be peas in here as well, but I've filled them up with goodish soil and last year's compost. So now it's just add fresh compost to the top. After I spent a few hours doing bits and bobs, this is where I'm sitting. And it's a lovely sight because the two greenhouses are opposite one another, and I look through and see it's all bare compost at the moment. No plants growing, but it's a work in progress. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect